Okay, class, I'm going to read to you. Evil White Teddy, did you just burp?
No, I didn't, Teacher Harriet. I didn't, Mrs. Mouse.
Do not lie to me. You just burped. Go sit in the corner while I call your parents bears. Hello? Is this Evil White Teddy's parents? Yeah. Evil White Teddy just accidentally burped in class. I am suspended for school. Can you please pick him up? Okay, thanks. Bye. Oh my God! What? Evil White Teddy, we can't believe that you accidentally burped in class. You know you're not supposed to burp in class. That's it. You are grounded for 15 years, 70, 70, 60, 70 years, 18, 17 years, 7 years, and 17 years. 18, 17 years, and 17 weeks. That's it. We're gonna force you to watch. We're gonna force you to watch. We're gonna force you to watch Little Bill Grounded. Go upstairs to your room now! Wait!